Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Good evening to everybody in America, guys. Hopefully you're watching this before you go to sleep. This is your sleep time, drive time video, guys, and we got the alien in the house, and it's a great time to be alive, guys. We're going to talk about a lot of stuff. Remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This video is only for education, entertainment in the house, guys. So remember, turn on two-factor authentication. Don't forget to secure your crypto where it lives. Wow, we're seeing that, after the whole Debbie Downer weekend that we had since Friday, when things started tanky, when we had this black swan event. Remember, we had this variant that was announced, and it kind of shook the whole world, and we saw the Dow Jones crash. It's one of the worst Fridays that they had in a long time history, and that took down the crypto markets as well. So that's what happened, guys. That's exactly what happened, and that's why we saw things going down. So recently we're seeing some positive news about the Omicron variant, and looks like that it's only mild, guys. So that's why we're seeing a huge reversal in the crypto markets. We're going to see a huge reversal in the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq and the broader markets, and not only just in the US, but the whole worldwide stock market took a tumbly tum, and that's why we're going to see things coming up. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. So let's jump into it without further delay. And we're seeing that Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, all the altcoins are on fire, guys. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about Fear and Greed Index, how that's coming back, guys. We're going to talk about some of the leading news. We've got some UK regulator news, which is Debbie Downer from the UK. So, guys and gals, go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, you baby, comment, and I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. I love my community. I love you guys, and I am only going to give you the truth, the honest truth, but nothing but the truth. So help me God, guys. I'm not shilling. I'm not hyping. I'm going to tell you if it's a bad project, if it's going down, I'm going to tell you exactly like it is. Because the OG, I'm just OG, guys. I'm an honest Joe, guys. I'm nothing special. I'm just like you, and we're the same. We're one family. We're one tribe, and we got a beautiful community. And I love you guys. Smash up the likes, subscribe, and if you're watching in the live stream, please consider giving a super chat in the house. Support the channel, guys. Woo! Let's get it. Come on, let's get it. Let's jump into it right now. So you can see right now in the first article, you can saw U.S. stock futures rise following Friday's Omicron spark-off sell-off. So on Friday, we had this huge sell-off that I talked to you about. But it looks like the Dow futures are looking pretty good right now. So you can see that the Dow futures is up almost 250 points. We're seeing that the Nasdaq is up, guys. So that's pretty good. So when the markets open on Monday, that should take the stock market higher and higher, and that should also push up the cryptos, and we should start seeing things coming back, guys. And don't forget, just prior to this Black Swan event, Bitcoin was getting close to 60,000. Then we had that drop that took everything down, that took the bottom out. But things, it looks like it's coming back up, and you can see that when we had this whole drop on Friday, we can see that Dow Jones was down 2.53%. The SPX was down 2.7%, and the whole composite was down. So that was why we saw absolutely everything go down. And luckily we had that good news from the South African doctor that said the Omicron, the symptoms are only mild and all that kind of stuff. So that's good news, guys. That's good news because everybody was thinking when it first came out that it was going to be something really nefarious and nasty. But it looks like it could turn out to be a nothing burger, guys. And that's why we're seeing that the total sentiment right now has gone up. Yesterday we were 27. The day before that we were in almost an extreme fear, guys. So it looks like the market sentiment is coming back. So that's another reason why we're seeing all the markets go uppity up. So that is good news in itself, guys. That's fantastic news. That's fantastic news. So let's take a look at the market cap in the house right now. Let me just give this a minty refresh. It's refresh, and you can see that the volumes are picking up. So that's really good. We can see that the total market cap right now is up 2.65 trillion, and the Bitcoin dominance is it's still up 40.95. It's come up a little bit, but that's okay, guys. But overall, things are looking very, very good in the house, guys. And we can also see that the channel portfolio, remember, this is not financial advice, just the OG in the house expressing his opinions, that's also come up. We're up 99% right now, and we're in $5,000 in profit. Keep watching, guys. We're going to jump into the Dogecoin. We're going to jump into Shiba Inu. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. Some more news coming, guys. We've got to talk about, the UK regulators. Looks like they're going to be charging some kind of tax financial exchanges, digital financial exchanges, aka the crypto in the house, crypto in the house, crypto in the house. So things are looking okay overall, guys. So I wouldn't panic too much in the house. And we can see the total portfolio is 10,000. So we're basically 1x from here, guys. So that's looking pretty good. And you can see that, if you look at BTC, so far for the month of November, we're only down 6.44%. So that's not a big disaster. And as you guys can see here, if we look in the weekly right now for BTC, this is BTC on the daily, sorry. You can see that we're printing a very good green candle, and we've gone up considerably, and right now Bitcoin is trading at 57,779, and that's not too bad, guys. That's looking pretty good in the house, guys. And I think that we could probably breach past, definitely we're going to be breaching past 58,000, and hopefully, we only have one more day, based on your time zone, to get back up to 60,000. So can we get back up to 60,000 by the tomorrow close of business? Smash the likes. Tell me what you think. Can Bitcoin get back up to 60,000? I think we could. There's a good chance we could do that, guys. So I think it's possible, guys. I absolutely think it's possible. If we look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now, finally we got 6 days and 21 hours left in this week, and at least we're starting the week off just right, guys. We're starting it off with a green candle forming. So you can see that we had two previous red candles here and here. And this was a huge slide back, guys, from where we were, and a lot of that had to do with this whole Debbie Downer Omicron. We call it the Omicron dump, and we went down like 19%, guys, in the last 2 weeks. So hopefully we can turn around and pick up some more green and hopefully reduce that. So when we go into December, we're going to be happier, stronger, and things are going to be looking good. But if we look at Ethereum, though, the monthly returns on Ethereum, we can still see Ethereum, in October is up 42%, and right now in November we're still slightly up, so that's good news. Maybe Ethereum is going to take off. Who knows? Let's keep watching, guys. So let's take a look at Dogecoin in the house right now. So Dogecoin, it's starting to break out, guys, and we had a little bit of a breakout on the 4-hour chart. You can see here, we went from here to here, and that was about a 5% breakout. And we've given back a little bit right now of that breakout, and we're down slightly right now, but we're above 19 cents because yesterday it was looking pretty gnarly, pretty nasty in there because Dogecoin had gone down considerably, and it had gone down almost as low as 19 cents, as I said. So we're coming on back, guys. Hopefully we can get back into this support line here. That's going to be very critical. And we got this 22-cent line here, which is resistance, actually, not support. And hopefully we can get past that, and things will be looking good. And I really believe that December is going to be good for Bitcoin. It's going to be good for Shiba Inu and all that kind of stuff. So guys, don't panic. This is the bounce we've been waiting for. This is the bounce, and that's all has to do with what really caused this whole dumpity dump. It was really a black swan event, guys. It was the Omicron thing, and that's what put the jitters in the market, pushed the stock market down. Cryptos went down with it, but we're looking at there's going to be a big bounce in the stock market, and that is going to cause a big bounce in crypto. And we're seeing the preemptive bounce happening right now in front of your eyes. So this is really good. Some other good news that's coming in right now, as you can see, if you look at the CTM model adjusted point pre-planning August 13th, 2021, we can see that in 2013, from the bottom wave 2, it took 336 days to gain 620%. This is for Bitcoin, just in case you're wondering. And in 2017, from the bottom of wave 2, it took 35 days with a 200% gain. So it looks like if this continues, guys, if this continues for the 2021 cycle, it looks like we're ready and we're ready to bounce up to either one of these levels, anywhere from 620% gains to 260% gains. So I think that we have seen this before. It can happen, and we can see that if we look at the 2012 and the 2016 cycle, we can definitely see that we're going to be pumping up, guys, soon, and we're going to see this happen. We saw it here, guys, once, twice. And I believe that we're looking at a very similar pattern on the CTM model as in previous years. So, a big bounce is imminent. Yes, we were all hoping that we'd hit 98,000 in November, as Plan B called it, but we had this black swan event. Things didn't turn out, but it looks like, nothing has changed. The bull run is still in. It looks like it's just being delayed about 2 weeks, guys. So that's looking pretty good in the house. So you guys should be excited about it. I'm excited about it, guys. I'm so excited about it. So let's take a look at some news right now. He said this is positive. Thailand plans to become crypto positive society. Governor says crypto is the future. So it looks like Thailand is realizing that Thailand is now laying the groundwork to become a crypto positive society with the aim to attract crypto holders and boost its tourism. The country hopes to gain back some of its 80 billion lost tourism revenue due to the pandemic and subsequent shutdown. So Thailand plans to attract crypto holders. The tourism authority is working with the country's regulator to make it easier and more convenient for visitors to spend cryptocurrencies in the country. And this is really interesting, guys. Maybe you can go to Thailand, start paying with a Dogecoin, Shiba Inu in the house, Bitcoin Cash and other stuff. So that's really cool, guys. Because if you do go to Thailand right now, there's a lot of restaurants that actually accept Bitcoin Cash, guys. I've been there. Vietnam is only like an hour and 30-minute flight to Thailand, to Bangkok. So I've been, pre the whole countrywide shutdown because of the virus. A lot of restaurants do take Bitcoin Cash. So if the government is pushing that, Thailand is a very cool country, because when the government pushes something, it rapidly gets deployed. There's no if, ands, or but. Boom! It's like bang, let's get it. And anything that can boost tourism, not only is the government behind it, but the Thai people are behind it, because tourism is a huge part of their economy, and a lot of people and a lot of jobs are depending on tourism. And as you guys know, because of the situation, tourism worldwide has gone down. Look, my hotels that I have here, basically, the hotel just 2.5 hours from Saigon, it's closed, guys. The hotel in Da Nang, it's closed, guys. It's basically shut down city, and there's no, slowly we're reopening, but there's still nothing out there. There's no market, guys. Here in Vietnam, domestic flights are limited. If you want to get on a domestic flight, you have to have, 2 vaccines, and if you don't, you're not getting on a flight. So that's the way it is, and so it's slow even for domestic business, guys. So some other news is, looks like UK digital services tax targets crypto exchanges. Bitcoin's crypto exchanges will be levied with a 2% tax, which is likely to be passed on to investors, warranted Crypto UK. So it looks like that what they want to do is they want to charge every digital crypto exchange 2% tax on all transaction and all things that's going on. So of course the exchanges are going to have no choice but to pass it on to you, the crypto traders. So that's why I believe that with this happening, centralized exchanges are going to start to become, the place where the inexperienced, the newbies, do their cryptocurrency trading. And what's going to happen is we're going to see that more experienced and seasoned crypto enthusiasts, they're going to be doing a lot of their exchanges on decentralized exchanges, and they're going to be using things like MetaMask and Trust Wallet. And if they're just sitting on stuff, they're going to be moving it to like Celsius and stuff like that, where you can get APY on crypto if you're not trading it. So I've got Celsius. I'm not shilling for Celsius, but if you're just holding your crypto for a long period of time, like your Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of your main coins, and you don't plan on trading it, this is a good place to go, because Celsius, you're getting up to like 4, 5, 6% on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stuff like that. The link is in the description, so go check it out. So I've been using it for a long time. I know a lot of my VIP members and a lot of my members in the house are using it, guys. So go check it out, guys. Earn APY, and just, if you're just sitting there, earn APY, guys. What are you waiting for? So some other stuff that's coming in right now. So we can see that sand is also coming back like crazy right now. So sand is just about to hit $8, so it's looking pretty good. So I'm pretty excited about sand right now. If we take a look at Bitcoin is also coming back. As I said earlier, we're seeing Ethereum has gone to the moon, guys. So Ethereum had a huge candle. This is on the 4 hour. So if we measure this wick here, we can see that Ethereum went up 5% in like a 4 hour period. So Ethereum is just blasting off right now, and it looks like Ethereum is going to try to breach the $4,400 level. So things are coming back very fast, and expect this momentum to continue, guys, to absolutely continue tomorrow. And I think this is going to be the start, and December is going to actually rip rip, guys, and we should be going to the moon. So you guys should be having a very happy December, and things are looking pretty good. So right now Ethereum is at $4,300 in the house, guys. Let's take a look at Solana, and then we'll jump into the coins, guys. Solana is also doing something amazing. It's it's up at $201, and it tried to breach the 204 level, and it's going to get there, guys. I think this is going to be the turnaround point for all crypto. And let's take a look at Shiba Inu in the house right now, guys. So you can see that Shiba Inu right now is forming this descending wedge right now, and it looks pretty good. And these are some of the targets I painted here. Target 1 is 452, target 2 is 5, target 3, and so on. So it looks like Shiba Inu is also coming back, guys, and we're looking pretty bullish on Shiba Inu right now. So you can see that Shiba Inu is right now, it's just trading at 38.95, so 39 in the house, and it looks like it's right now it's up almost 4%, almost 5%, so that's pretty good. I think this is a momentum that we need. Our biggest resistance right now is at 43, and I think we're going to get there, guys. It's just a matter of time. We're going to get that alien, and look at the bear. The bear's sad because the bears are out of there, guys, and the alien's taking over, and we got green days everywhere, guys. So I'm pretty excited. So let's jump into coinage in the house right now. So it's a pretty cool day overall, guys. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up 5.5%. It's at $57,381 in the house. We're seeing Ethereum is up 6.5%. So that's very good, guys. And that's at 4,300. We're seeing that BNB is up 4.37%, and that's fantastical in the house. And it's at $608. And BNB is doing very good. It's doing good on the monthly. It's doing good on the weekly, guys. But I still think there's some bargains to be had. Look at Solana right now. It's at $201 in the house. That's fantastic. I still think Solana is a huge pickup. I think Solana, and this is not financial advice, just OG expressing his opinion, it's education. I think Solana is going to run much higher, much hotter, and it could get to $600, guys. I think the pump is on, guys. ADA is up 6.2%. It's at $160. It's still below where it was when we had the big Friday, the Omicron dump, and we're seeing that DOT is up 9.3%, but it's still below where it was when we had the Omicron dump, and that's at 36.30. Doge is coming back. My Doge, I love the Doge. We love the Doge. You love the Doge. Let's get it. One thing about the Doge, it's not only about the tokenomics, it's not only about the cryptocurrency price, it's also about the community. The Doge community is very special. It's loving, it's giving, and we love the Doge. The alien loves the Doge, and if you love the Doge, smash the likes right now. Consider giving super chat, support the channel, and right now the Doge is at 20 cents, guys. I believe that we're going to continue this upbeat for Doge, and we're seeing that a lot of Doge short positions, they got wrecked today. They got wrecked because they were thinking that Doge is going to continue to go down. So, guys, keep in mind that Elon Musk, and a lot of experts out there, if you're new in this business, never ever leverage trade. Don't do it, guys. It's bad news bears. We're seeing that Avalanche is also up right now, and it's at up 6.67%, so that's pretty good. It's $114. And we're seeing that the Shiba Inu in the house is at up 2%, and it's at 39. And remember, I said it's forming this huge descending wedge right here, guys. A huge descending wedge. So it looks like we could be turning around pretty soon. By the breakout from the falling wedge. So these are going to be the breakout points. These have been the breakouts, guys. These have been the breakouts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And, these are some of the targets. So, guys, take a look at that. I'm going to paste this on my Twitter so you can go back and follow that. So with that being said, guys, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. Please go to my Twitter, follow. Also, be careful out there. There is a fake Twitter account that's impersonating me and sending you DMs, and they're saying they've got this huge crypto brokerage trading stuff. It's all a scam, guys. So if you get a DM from these guys, remember, make sure you understand this is the official Twitter. If it doesn't look like this, if it's not Elegant Investment 1, then it's a fake one. Stay away from them. Please report them to Twitter. Get them out of there. So, guys and gals, I and the alien want to say God bless you. We love you. Go right down there, guys. Go right down there. Do it. You can feel my finger on your head. Smash the likes. Go down there. Subscribe, BYB. Comment, guys. Make a comment. And let's get this video up to 1,000 likes. I'd love to see that. You want to get it. Let's get it, guys. And don't forget to go down and check all of my linky winkies. Remember, this is not financial advice. Go, follow the wife's channel, Zen Music. Please support the channel with a Patreon. Buy the channel a coffee. And if you're watching, super chats, guys. Support the channel, guys. Please do it. And don't forget to go and check out the merch. Get the cup of love, the mug. We got the backpack, with the pillow, willow. We got water balls, all sorts of stuff. And then we got a lot of clothing items. We got bags, we got hoodies, we got t-shirts. We even got polo shirts, guys. I love the polo shirts. Go over and check the Wifey's channel. Happy wife, happy life. I just want to say God bless each and every one. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Make every second count. Make your life count, guys. Do not worry. Do not panic. Crypto is coming up. So all of you that had diamond hands and didn't sell and didn't panic sell, woo, you're reaping the rewards. This is the way to do it. And remember, this channel would not be possible without you, my community. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Woo! And Alien says woo too. Alien says 9090.